In this course, we'll discuss how to make a plan from a management perspective. Planning is a double-edged sword. If done right, planning brings about tremendous increases in individual and organizational performance. If planning is done wrong, however, it can have just the opposite effect and harm individual and organization performance. The first step in planning is to set goals. To direct behavior and increase effort, goals need to be specific and challenging. One way to write effective goals for yourself, your job, or your organization is to use SMART guidelines. SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Just because a company sets a goal doesn't mean that people will try to accomplish it. If workers don't care about a goal, the goal won't encourage them to work harder or smarter. Thus, the second step in planning is to develop commitment to goals. Goal commitment is the determination to achieve a goal. Commitment to achieve a goal is not automatic. Managers and workers must choose to commit themselves to a goal. So how can managers bring about goal commitment? The most popular approach is to set goals participatively. Rather than assigning goals to workers, managers and employees choose goals together. The goals are more likely to be realistic and attainable if employees participate in setting them. Another technique for gaining commitment to a goal is to make the goal public. A third step in planning is to develop effective action plans. An action plan lists the specific steps, the how, people, the who, resources, the what, and the time period, the when, for accomplishing a goal. The fourth step in planning is to track progress towards goal achievement. There are two accepted methods of tracking progress. The first is to set proximal goals and distal goals. Proximal goals are short-term goals or sub-goals, whereas distal goals are long-term or primary goals. Because action plans are sometimes poorly conceived and goals sometimes turn out not to be achievable, the last step in developing an effective plan is to maintain flexibility. One method of maintaining flexibility while planning is to adopt an options-based approach. The goal of an options-based planning approach is to keep options open by making small, simultaneous investments in many alternative plans. Then, when one or a few of these plans emerge as a likely winner, you invest more in those plans while discontinuing or reducing investment in the others.